Hello everyone. Today we will be unboxing this Cruiser SE Camera by IMOU. So here you can see the box. It's a pan tilt camera. There is no optical zoom option, but you can have a digital zoom option. So here are a few features you can see. Okay, so let's move towards the unboxing. Now the box is open. First of all, you get the camera. Then you get the mounting bracket. It will be mounted on the wall, and then you will hang the camera in. Alright, so here we go. We have a 12-volt power adapter to power the camera. The cable length is good. I would roughly say it's approximately 4 meters. Then you get the screws for mounting the cameras. Here is a sticker which you will place on the wall before mounting the camera, and then you get the waterproof connectors. So definitely you can use this camera on NVR as well, and it also comes with a Wi-Fi feature. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.